get your mind together.
As an MIT faculty member, Dr. David A. Kolb was interested in fit for students. And when he came up with his theory for experiential learning, he drew from the psychology and ideas of earlier theorists in order to allow for educators to be able to both challenge and support their students better based on their learning styles. Now, this theory is based on the different ways learning and development can take place and focuses specifically on the bond between these two processes of learning and development and how they can be applied to produce the best result and most effective results for students. And this is typically applied at the university level. There are 4 stages of learning within the experiential learning theory, and each one provides grounding for the next. But the text reminds us that these stages are more like steps than unchanging levels that our learners can get stuck in. So first, we have concrete experience. And concrete experience is how the learner feels when they go through an experience where learning is meant to be taking place. And it really sets them up to reflect on and process their what they've observed and what they've been a part of, and be able to view that learning from different angles. And this allows them to form ideas about how to apply what they're learning. And they use those ideas and actually carry them out and do them through the active experimentation portion. Here we have the processing continuum and the perception continuum. And this is where Dr. Kolb says the steps get a little complicated, because he notices that learning requires the learner to have abilities that are polar opposites. So that's where these axes come into play. Concrete experience and abstract conceptualization are how one takes in information, and this is the grasping dimension. And then active experimentation and reflective observation are how one makes that information meaningful. So that's that transformational piece of the learning.